Well, hello there. It's been a while. It's actually been a while since I've sat down and talked like this. And this video specifically is going to be a little different than any other video. Specifically, I'm going to be telling you guys a story. I want to tell you guys a story and I want to follow up with a small challenge. So stick around for the end. I'm going to give a bit of context to that. Now, for the story, this story starts in 2019. Back in 2019, I had just started learning Godot. I kind of learned it for a couple months and I never really made a game. A couple years prior, when I was in high school, I had been learning Game Maker, but I never finished a game. I was kind of just working on stuff. I never really finished anything, much like many of you might have. And yeah, at this point, I basically just haven't published anything. So in 2019, I don't even remember why. I just kind of decided this to myself. I told myself, hey, you know what? 30 days. I'm going to spend 30 days not only making a game, I'm going to spend those 30 days making the game, making the art, the UI, everything, publishing it, all that for 30 days. At the end of the 30 days, I'm never going to touch this project again. I'm not going to work on it. I'm going to delete the files. I didn't delete the files actually, but I ended up losing them. So basically the same thing happened. But yeah, so after the end of those 30 days, I'm never going to touch that project again. I made that deal to myself. And making a promise to yourself for the first time like that is a little like daunting to an extent. It was a lot. And at the time, I remember spending hours every day. And obviously I was unemployed. I didn't really have anything. I was in school, so I think I was on break at the time. So I had like a full 30 days, no school, no nothing. So I had those 30 days to just work on the game. So yeah, I remember spending those 30 days making a really, really shitty 2D RPG turn-based game. So how did I make this game? Well, it was actually really simple. I took Heartbeast. He had 2 tutorial videos at the time. I might actually link them down below. Yeah, there was a turn-based RPG mobile thing that he made. I thought it was really cool at the time. So it was a turn-based combat system and then a top-down movement RPG thing, right? And I basically slammed those two together. So the way it would work was you would kind of hover a 2D dungeon. So you would kind of go around in a 2D dungeon, go to a monster and turn-based attack it, right? So you'd have a combat system where you would have turn-based and kill it that way. It was really bad. I'm gonna be honest with you. The art was awful. I made a lot of the art. Some were prepaid assets, but I made the UI. I made it from scratch. It was really bad, and you'd probably think it probably flopped, right? And oh, you probably didn't even publish it. You're wrong. I did publish it. I put it out on the Play Store. Unfortunately, it's gone now. I never updated it, so it got removed from the Play Store. I'll see if I can find some screenshots from the past or something, or maybe I have like an old video. I'll kind of put it up. If not, then there's nothing in front of me. Unfortunately, I kind of lost a lot of it. At the time, I think I had a hard drive that got wiped or something. So I actually also lost the files for it. But that's not the important part. The important part of this story is I basically challenged myself 30 days to spend those 30 days making a game to get myself out of tutorial hell and to basically make a game and prove to myself that I kind of know what I'm doing, which was not really true. I didn't really know what I was doing. I was kind of bullshitting as I was going, but this gave me the confidence and experience to get started and making games consistently. So for the next several years, I was able to actually make a full game many times over. Now, some of them were never completed, or some of them didn't do as well as I hoped, which is totally okay. And as some of you guys know, I was working on a game called Soulforge. Unfortunately, I decided to drop it because the project ended up, I basically scope creeped myself. It got too big to the point where I just decided to drop it. I might pick it up in the future, but at the moment I want to focus on my content and making stuff for you guys. So now this kind of portrays to my challenge and to my website. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and say that this challenge is free. This isn't like a promotion thing. This is me challenging you for 30 days. Now, this is not a game jam. This is just a regular 30-day challenge. Now, you can do this whenever. You could do this a year from now. You could do this now. You could do this July 1st, whenever you want. Now, I'm going to kind of suggest you wait a little bit. Now, the reason is because on my website, I'm going to promote a little bit. I have two things. I've started a 30-day challenge on my website. So if you make an account and you start the 30-day challenge and you log into my website every day, there will be a reminder for you. So it'll basically remind you every day to work on your 30-day challenge. Now, on my website specifically, I have it so that there's two options, either a 2D RPG campaign or a 3D RPG Souls-like campaign, basically a 2D and 3D game. Now, obviously, I would like to have more, but at the moment, that's all I can offer. So that is my offer to you guys. I also would like to just mention that I now also have a 7-day free trial on my website. So if you guys want to get started with the free content on my website, and if you like it, go ahead and try the 7-day free trial. You might like it more. There's basically just some extra content on the website for paid members. And I mean, to be honest, if you guys just join my website, it'll just help me support me and allow me to create more stuff for you guys in the future. I know you guys have like tons of requests for things that you want to learn, but I do want to just throw my website out there and basically let you guys know that I have that stuff there. And if you need some help with that 30-day challenge, I'm here for you, not only on my website, but join my email list. If you join my website, you'll join my email list automatically, but I will also be regularly checking my emails for a while, actually. And I want you to send me an email. Tell me what are you going to work on for 30 days, what you're going to do, and I'll try my best. I'm not going to make any promises, but I'll try my best to get an update from you in 30 days. So if I see your email, I might not respond to it right away, but I'll respond in 30 days and check up on you. I want to see what you did. And this is nice for both of us because one, you guys get to make a game in 30 days and hopefully get that experience of actually publishing a game. Now, don't worry about not doing so amazing. That's not the point. The point is not to make the best game ever. It's just to have a published game. Now, additionally, for me, at the end of the 30 days, I would like to show or publish your game on my website. I actually have a automatic thing for this. You guys can just add your games to my website. I'll put that in the link down below somewhere as well. I'll throw a couple links down below, so go check them out. And that's pretty much it from me. I will be releasing something on July 1st as well, so do keep out for that. I'll be sending out an email and a YouTube video, so yeah, keep track for that. Go hit that bell down below. And I want to give a small teaser. I'm going to be changing the content of my website, or not on my website, on my YouTube channel soon. I want to try different things. So keep an eye out for new content. Or new format content. I might be moving away from purely tutorial scene things, but I do want to stay within the game dev scene and just help you guys make better games. Now, all right, that's enough for me. This was kind of a long video. Hopefully you guys stuck around to the end. If not, then you wouldn't have seen me. That's it for now. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye for now.